Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Today, let's talk about Adsense income. Now, regular subscribers may know that I have disclosed my Adsense income at least 2 or 3 times in the past, and there were some comments in such videos that it's illegal to disclose Adsense income, and I have seen this also said by many YouTubers that please don't ask me my income because it's illegal to disclose Adsense income because it's a breach of contract and so on. The truth is, it is not a breach of contract. If you go to the AdSense terms of service, which you can search for on AdSense online terms of service, there is a confidentiality clause in item number 11, and it's got a huge blah blah, the usual blah blah, but it also says very clearly, notwithstanding everything that is said in this confidentiality clause, you can accurately disclose the amount of gross payments that Google gives you resulting from the use of AdSense service. You may accurately disclose the amount of Google's gross payments resulting from your use of service. So there's absolutely no problem in disclosing AdSense income. What you should not be disclosing is, for example, if you have 4 or 5 ads in a video or on your site. For example, the ad on the top of your site, the bottom of your site, in the middle of your site, or the middle of the video, the start of the video, end of the video, and so on. What are the detailed analytics for each of those ads, the click-through rates or any kind of statistics, that should not be disclosed. But there is absolutely no problem in disclosing the amount of payment that you get from Google. So I have disclosed this many times before, and this is a dashboard of my channel analytics. That's the current total number of subscribers. I get about 1,000 subscribers every month, roughly, approximately. None of my videos go viral, so I just get 1,000 subscribers a month. So you can estimate how long it will take me to get that so-called silver play button or whatever it is for 1 lakh subscribers or whatever. I don't care. So the revenue for the last 28 months is $176. It's actually a bit lesser. Couple of months previously it would be about 190, 185, almost 200. I've never seen anything beyond 200. The highest I've seen is about 195, 198 or something like that. So that's about it. There's no problem in disclosing this as far as my understanding of these terms and service goes. I think YouTubers should not hide behind it, and they should disclose it. But one thing I have said this many times, one thing people should know is that there's not much of money in ads. I think people who create content every day in the hope of getting more and more ad revenue, I think they are trying, it's a tiresome job. You should not do it. I think the money in ads in YouTube comes from products, from affiliate marketing, and product promotions and so on. I'll talk about that in a separate video. And also another question people ask is, how much money can I get for 1,000 views? This is a very wrong question, and people who answer this are simply don't have any clue about how advertising works. See, ad revenue depends on how quickly the ads the video is viewed. What I mean to say is, it's not about 1,000 views or 10,000 views, but how quickly you got 1,000 views. Some videos may get 1,000 views in like under 1 minute. Within 1 minute of publication, one video can get 1,000 views. For us here, whereas if you take my video, it will take 2 or 3 days for 1,000 views sometimes, or even more than that. So the amount of money I can get from ads and the amount of money a video that gets 1,000 views in under a minute is very, very different. So that's what matters. What matters is the rate at which the views are increasing and how long people watch that how long the people watch that video, excuse me. And that's what determines ad revenue. Don't ask how much can I get for 1,000 views, how much can I get for 1,000 subscribers and so on. Number of subscribers is completely irrelevant. Number of views are also irrelevant. The rate of increase in the number of views matters, and how long people watch the videos, or watch time as it's called, that matters, and that's what governs ad revenue. We will talk more about it. I have also done this in the past, but if you have any questions on this and so on, you can post below. Bye bye.